I want to show a short run through of my Langdock, my API platform, to Obsidian, my knowledge base platform connection, via an query I recently had in a course where Billy asked me, hey, can you show one of your Lightbulb 3 examples? And what I did is I provided my AI a list of my 30 recent LinkedIn posts and did a query reverse. Can you analyze my posts and please explain me which light bulbs I used and pick the strongest one? So here's the query. So I gave it a list of files. This I prepared before. So here you see a list of many files. And then I asked for each file name, and here is the important part, get file. So this means I instructed my AI with the get file command to go to my Obsidian, fetch the file content from there, and then please analyze the light bulbs and pick the 3 strongest light bulb posts. And here the connection to my AI assistant is in there because the AI assistant knows all the light bulb details, knowledge I learned from several courses running through Billy's 5 light bulbs course. And here's what it came up. It extracted the file names from the JSON. Then you see it did a really do get to my Obsidian. And here you see one post it fetched, another one, and stuff like this. So now, based on these files, it fetched the 3 strongest ones, gave me the names here, it gave me a short outline of the posts. Then I asked from the post, please also check the LinkedIn links. There you can see, okay, here it extracted the links. I could even open this link here and it leads directly to the post, quite cool. And there I could immediately run this in parallel and check which one resonated. And then I asked further, argue why this is a strong Lightbulb 3 message. And it came up with really cool insights why it says this is a good one. And especially why it's for Lightbulb 3. I did this again for all the 3 that I picked. Then, okay, I asked what key to success do I transport? And I picked the first one, book to action. Actually, there's a small typo in there. Then it extracted the key to success. For instance, this book to action is for time efficiency. It's a really systematic framework developed here. It has habits, insights how to integrate with existent habits. Provides a strong AI augmentation part in there because I use for this book to action a lot of AI. And it is focusing really on implementing what we read. Then I asked, okay, what's the difference between the Lightbulb 3, so the approach, versus the Lightbulb 4, the product behind this, and why is this post not a Lightbulb 4 post? And again, it came up with an argumentation. So what you can see is I can do a back and forth between analyzing and really getting the knowledge from the 5 light bulbs itself. And let's have a really short look on the assistant itself. So the assistant in Langdock has several small arguments, but the core is I gave it my stories. What's my main argument that I would like to bring across regarding my learning ecosystem topic. Then I provided a complete description of the 5 light bulbs framework. This is what I learned from the courses that I went through with Billy. And then here you see these are actions it can take, and this is the connection to my Obsidian. So Langdock talks to Obsidian, and what I used in this short run through the files is a get file action, so it can live fetch from my Obsidian, and it's connected with Claude. Claude currently provides for me the best results. So I hope that this small run through showed you an interesting connection between AI and my knowledge base and how I can weave in my existing knowledge to really work with this.